how to change your PIN for your Truist Debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need a new PIN for your Truist Debit card, well here is how you can change it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, just click on accounts and then select debit cards or card management. And there, find the option to change PIN or manage PIN and click on it. And after that, on the next page, you have to enter your current PIN if prompted, and after that you just need to choose a new 4-digit PIN and confirm it. And once you're done with that, you just need to click submit or confirm and you may receive a confirmation message or email, and that's it. That's how you can change your Truist Debit card PIN. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.